Have you ever wondered about the variety of ramen in Japan? In the land of the rising sun, ramen isn't just a dish, it's a culinary adventure, a cultural staple, and an art form. Each steaming bowl tells a tale of tradition and innovation, a harmonious blend of flavors that speaks to the heart of Japanese cuisine. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, ramen permeates every corner of Japan, its popularity undiminished by time or trends. This humble noodle soup, with its myriad variations, is a testament to the country's love for food that comforts as much as it excites. Throughout this video, we'll be diving into the rich, savory depths of the ramen universe. We'll explore the creamy pork-based tonkatsu, the soy-infused shoyu, the hearty miso, the deconstructed tsukan, and the delicate shio. Each one a unique culinary experience, each one a celebration of Japanese culinary ingenuity. Prepare to embark on a mouth-watering journey through the world of Japanese ramen. First on our list is the well-loved Tonkatsu Ramen. This ramen hails from Fukuoka, on the Kyushu island of Japan, a place known for its vibrant food culture. Tonkatsu Ramen is the pride of the region, a dish that's as heartwarming as it is flavorful. Now let's delve into what makes this ramen so special. The star of the show is the broth, a rich, creamy concoction that's the result of boiling pork bones for several hours, sometimes even for an entire day. This process extracts all the flavor and nutrients from the bones, creating a broth that's incredibly savory and deeply satisfying. But the preparation doesn't stop there. The broth is paired with thin, straight noodles that are cooked al dente, providing a delightful contrast to the velvety broth. Toppings often include slices of tender chashu pork, green onions, and a soft-boiled egg marinated in soy sauce and mirin. Each ingredient adds a layer of complexity, making every bite a symphony of flavors. Tonkatsu ramen is not just a bowl of noodles and broth, it's a testament to the Japanese commitment to culinary excellence, to the painstaking process of creating something truly exceptional from simple ingredients. Each slurp is a journey, transporting you to the bustling ramen shops of Fukuoka, where this dish is a beloved staple. So next time you're in the mood for comfort food, remember Tonkatsu ramen. It's not just a dish, it's an experience, a heartwarming bowl of creamy goodness. Next up, we have the classic Shoyu Ramen. Originating from the vibrant and bustling Tokyo, Shoyu Ramen is a soulful bowl of noodles that has captured the hearts of many. It's a dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. The name shoyu translates to soy sauce, hinting at the key ingredient that gives this ramen its distinct taste. The preparation of Shoyu Ramen is a meticulous process. It begins with a clear chicken or pork-based broth that's simmered for hours on end, extracting every bit of flavor from the bones. This broth is then infused with soy sauce, creating a complex, tangy, and savory foundation. But the magic doesn't stop there. The broth is ladled over chewy, springy ramen noodles, and topped with a variety of garnishes like green onions, slices of roasted pork, and a soft-boiled egg, marinated to perfection. What sets Shoyu Ramen apart from other types of ramen is its soy sauce-based broth. While it might seem simple, the soy sauce adds depth and umami, transforming the broth into a flavor-packed sensation that will keep you coming back for more. This is a ramen that's steeped in tradition, yet always offers something new and exciting with each slurp. Shoyu Ramen is a testament to the power of simplicity, achieving a symphony of flavors with just a handful of carefully chosen ingredients. Whether you're a ramen novice or a seasoned slurper, this is a bowl of noodles that's sure to impress. Shoyu Ramen, a timeless classic that never disappoints. Moving on to the rich and robust Miso Ramen. This hearty bowl of noodles hails from the snow-clad region of Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island. The harsh winters of Hokkaido necessitated a ramen that was warming and nutritious, and thus, Miso Ramen was born. The preparation of Miso Ramen is an art in itself. It begins with a flavorful broth, typically made from chicken or pork bones simmered for hours. The star of the show, however, is the miso paste. This fermented soybean paste is the heart and soul of Miso Ramen, lending it a unique, deep flavor that is simultaneously salty, sweet, and umami. But the beauty of Miso Ramen lies in its versatility. The toppings and ingredients can vary widely, reflecting the seasonal offerings of Hokkaido. From succulent slices of chashu pork to sweet corn, butter, and even local seafood, every bowl of Miso Ramen tells a different story. The noodles used in Miso Ramen are usually thick, wavy, and chewy, adept at soaking up the rich miso-infused broth. Some places even serve it with a pat of butter on top, a nod to Hokkaido's dairy industry. The result is a complex, layered bowl of ramen that is as comforting as it is satisfying. The umami punch of the miso, combined with the varied textures and flavors of the toppings, creates a symphony of tastes in every slurp. Miso Ramen, a bowl packed with flavor and depth. Let's dive into the unique world of Tsukan Ramen. Originating from Tokyo in the mid-20th century, Tsukan Ramen, also known as dipping ramen, has become a staple in Japan's vibrant food scene. This ramen is the brainchild of Kazuo Yamagishi, a renowned ramen chef who desired to create a ramen that would be enjoyable even in the sweltering summer heat. Unlike traditional ramen, Tsukan serves the noodles and broth separately. The noodles, typically thicker and chewier than those found in other ramen styles, are meant to be dipped into a rich, concentrated broth. This unique serving style not only prevents the noodles from becoming soggy, but it also allows the eater to control the flavor intensity of each mouthful. The broth in Tsukan tends to be more robust and flavorful than your standard ramen broth. It's typically made from a combination of chicken, pork, and sometimes even seafood, simmered for hours to achieve a deep, umami-packed flavor. It's served hot but not boiling to ensure the perfect temperature for dipping. Now, let's talk about toppings. Tsukan usually comes with a variety of toppings like slices of chashu pork, bamboo shoots, green onions, and a soft-boiled egg. These toppings add an extra layer of flavor and texture, elevating the entire dish to a whole new level. Tsukan Ramen, a fun and interactive ramen experience. Last but not least, we have the light and clear Shio Ramen. Originating from the northern region of Hokkaido, Shio Ramen is a culinary gem that embodies the simplicity and sophistication of Japanese cuisine. Its name, Shio, translates to salt, hinting at the central flavor component of this dish. While it's the oldest form of ramen, it's not to be mistaken for being basic or bland. The preparation of Shio Ramen is a testament to the chef's expertise. The broth is a delicate blend of chicken, fish, or pork bones, simmered to perfection to extract the essence of the ingredients. The salt seasoning is then added to give it its characteristic flavor. Unlike the creamy tonkatsu or the soy-infused shoyu, Shio Ramen's broth is clear and light, allowing the individual flavors to shine through. What sets Shio Ramen apart is its unique features. The noodles are thin and straight, absorbing the broth's flavor without detracting from its clarity. The toppings, often including succulent slices of pork, bamboo shoots, and green onions, add varied textures and flavors, creating a harmonious balance in every bite. The salt-based broth of Shio Ramen is a subtle dance of flavors. It's not as heavy or rich as other ramen styles, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer a lighter, more refined taste. Despite its transparency, it's packed with umami, leaving a satisfying aftertaste that lingers on the palate. Shio Ramen, a subtle yet satisfying bowl of comfort. And there you have it, folks, 5 unique types of ramen from Japan. We've embarked on a culinary journey through the land of the rising sun, savoring the rich, complex flavors of 5 distinct types of ramen. Let's take a moment to reminisce about what we've discovered. We started off with the decadent Tonkatsu Ramen, a specialty from Fukuoka, famed for its creamy pork bone broth that's been lovingly cooked for hours. Its velvety texture and deep flavor have earned it a spot in the hearts of many. Then we moved on to the classic Shoyu Ramen, a soy sauce-based delight that originated in Tokyo. Its clear, brown broth, coupled with curly noodles and a variety of toppings, provides a savory experience that's hard to forget. Next was the hearty Miso Ramen from Hokkaido, known for its rich, miso-infused broth. The addition of corn and butter adds an interesting twist, making this bowl a warming comfort food during the chilly winters. Our fourth stop was Tsukan Ramen, a unique, deconstructed version where noodles and broth are served separately. The act of dipping the noodles into the flavorful broth adds an element of interaction to the eating experience. Lastly, we savored the simplicity of Shio Ramen, a salt-based ramen from Hakodate. Its light, clear broth and springy noodles create a delicate balance of flavors that's truly refreshing. Despite their differences, all these ramen types share a common thread, a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating each bowl. They all feature a flavorful broth, perfectly cooked noodles, and an array of toppings, each bringing a unique twist to the table. Now it's your turn to step out and explore these flavors for yourself. Each bowl of ramen is a story waiting to be tasted, a tradition waiting to be experienced. So, go ahead and immerse yourself in this delicious world of ramen. And before you dash off on your culinary adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious explorations. We've got a lot more food trails to embark on together. Until next time, sayonara.